So Cass, here you go. Go to your course, and then again, I'll show you an example. I'm gonna just go to the teacher course, and let's say, gosh, let's look at COVID. Let's say that's the thing you're in, and from there you can use one of these. See how it's like green, or you can just go up to here and say add materials. So if you want to add it to an assignment or a page, but kind of an assignment is what you probably want to do. Oh, now it's going to glitch on me. Okay, no. So social studies, please read this document and answer questions below. You get the idea. Typos, whatever. So you can import the picture here, which I like to do. So you could actually import media from there, upload media. So this is where you attach it. So when my cursor's in here, watch. So if I make the assignment, I put my cursor under the text or questions. I go to this button. You could also go to this button, but then it attaches it below. I like that it loads on kids' screens right away in this text box. So you could do it that way, but I like to show you here. So insert media, find it on your computer, and let's just do this as a photo that I saved. I emailed myself. Here we go. We're gonna add it. And notice, gosh, the due date. Okay, I'll do that. 100 points, whatever, it doesn't matter. So boom. Then I'll kind of show you what the students see, or you can go in the class and see it. Notice, please read the document. Notice that you open it up, the picture comes right there. So if it's a reading assignment, the questions would be there. The reading would be there if that's a picture that you sent. So that should work.